yung mga ganung bagay po kasi sa tingin namin hindi talaga proper. We are facing one of the biggest controversies and issues in the entire country's history. And sa tingin ko, it deserves a lot of seriousness and a lot of sincerity and a lot of respect. Especially that us in the DOJ, ang gusto lang talaga namin gawin ay ilabas ang katotohanan. Kaya pinagsabihan po siya at dito pagdating po niya, she explained her actions to us, but she was also told to act with caution moving forward. Because at the end of the day, all these things can be taken against her. Kung meron din siyang magandang gawin, it can also be taken as a point for her. So sa tingin namin, she should just come to us with sincerity, with authenticity, truthfulness, and the complete truth. So these are the types of things that we want to see, in people that we are considering. But at the end of the day, if they do not become forthcoming with their statements, if they don't want to tell us the whole truth, then that's on them. Nasa kanila yun. Pero dun sa heart, fingers, and the remarks that she makes, we just think it's inappropriate, especially here in the DOJ.
Sir, did she apologize?
When I asked those that talked to her, parang hindi naman siya apology. There's more of an explanation of why she did what she did. She said something about it being connected to her campaign, but we're not in campaign period anymore. This is an investigation, not a campaign. Kaya siguro, again, we would like to remind all those persons involved to act accordingly, to behave, because this is one of the deepest issues that the country has to face, and it deserves the sincerity and the respect of those involved.
Sir, yun lang yung paliwanag niya.
Well, yeah, yun lang daw yung paliwanag niya, and she was reminded by DOJ officials to be careful with the way she acted, not only for the investigation but for public perception as well.
So after the reminder and the promise na hindi na gagawin,
Oo naman, she was receptive to the advice of the DOJ officials.
Kapag mga ganun po yung actions, nakaka-affect malaki